The miracle of healing. Understanding miraculous recovery. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in stories of incredible health turnarounds: miraculous recovery. This expression is not only uplifting but also carries a deep meaning in the English language, especially when discussing health and wellness. Join us as we explore the significance and use of this powerful phrase. Miraculous recovery consists of two key words: miraculous and recovery. Miraculous refers to something extraordinary or inexplicable by normal standards, often perceived as if by a miracle. Recovery is the process of returning to a normal or healthy condition after a period of illness or injury. Together, they describe a situation where someone heals from an illness or injury in a way that seems beyond the ordinary, almost as if by magic or divine intervention. This phrase is often used in medical contexts, stories of survival, and news reports. For example, when someone survives a severe illness or recovers quickly and completely from a serious injury against all odds, observers might describe their healing as a miraculous recovery. It's a way to express amazement and joy at the unexpected and positive outcome. However, it's not limited to medical scenarios. Miraculous recovery can also metaphorically describe overcoming difficult situations, such as financial ruin or personal crises, where the turnaround is so positive and unexpected that it seems miraculous. To better understand how to use miraculous recovery, let's look at a few examples. After the car accident, doctors didn't expect him to walk again, but his miraculous recovery surprised everyone. The company made a miraculous recovery after nearly going bankrupt last year, now reporting record profits. Despite the severity of the illness, she made a miraculous recovery and returned to her daily activities in no time. The phrase, miraculous recovery, also carries emotional weight. It brings hope and joy to people's lives, reminding us of the human spirit's resilience and the possibility of positive outcomes against all odds. It's a testament to the wonders of modern medicine, the power of faith and determination, and the support of loved ones during challenging times. We hope this exploration of miraculous recovery has illuminated its meaning and use for you. Whether in the context of health, personal challenges, or overcoming obstacles, this phrase is a beacon of hope and a celebration of the extraordinary. May you find inspiration in these stories of resilience and the miraculous recoveries that people achieve. Thank you for joining us, and see you in our next video.